Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I'm Alice Nurhayati, the principal of High School 2 Cibinong, BOGOR Regency, West Java Educational Department, Indonesia. Allow me to introduce our school profile and our excellent profiles. First of all, let me introduce my team assurance and also the team of vice principals. The first is the Chief Quality Assurance and team, Miss Margareta and Miss Yanuarita Nurhanifa. I have also 4 vice principals and staffs. They are Miss Dwi Kartikarini and Miss Sumitri, the Vice Principal for Curriculum and Staff. Then Mr. Sudaryana, Miss Nuringtias, and Miss Tintin Sugiharti, the Vice Principal for Students Affairs and Staffs. Then Miss Diah Nursela and Mr. Ramlan Sultan, the Vice Principal for Facilities and Infrastructures and Staff. And last but not least, Mr. Teguh Satya Pratama, the Vice Principal for Public Relations. And I have outstanding teachers and administration staff of High School 2 Cibinong. High School 2 Cibinong was founded in 1994, October the 5th, and it is located in Jalan Karadina number 5, Bogor Regency, West Java. Bogor Regency, West Java is one of the famous area to visit for vacation. You can scan the QR code provided if you want to know about our location. High School 2 Cibinong has 1,248 students and also 65 teachers and 22 administrative staff. Our main program focuses on character education, learning with new paradigm, strengthening human resources, then digital school program, database planning on national scorecard report, and sharing session, and last but not least, partnership program. There are some outstanding education, culture, and policy in High School 2 Cibinong, Bogor Regency, West Java. They are as follow: developing JABAR Masagi and Pancasila student profile, morning worship program, children-friendly school program, healthy community movement program, anti-bullying school program, green school program, sharing session program, and partnership program. From those policy in our school, there is one thing very essential, that is the education culture of JABAR Masagi. It is the character education in West Java and also the strengthening of the Pancasila student profile project according to the character education at the Ministry of Education in Indonesia. It is very interesting that the culture or the policy of character education in West Java or JABAR Masagi is really in line or similar with the 4 pillars of education according to UNESCO. Those are learning to know, learning to do, learning to live together, and learning to be. While in Pancasila student profile, we put emphasis on having faith, pious to Almighty and noble character, global diversity, mutual cooperation or working together, creative, critical thinking, and independent. I have some experiences and dissemination after joining the 2022 Apec School Leadership Program. My experience when joining the 2022 Apec School Leadership Program, I learned 7 policy direction while participating in online workshop last December. And I do hope that Indonesia will take part or contribute to universalized international education among Apec member countries as follows. Direction of universalized international education. What school would face and need for universalized international education, collaborative work with international organization for universalized international education, best practices of universalized international education, school management for universalized international education, case study for stimulating universalized international education, plan and strategies for universalized international education. Collaborative workshop in 2023 Global Gifted Problem Solving Camp in South Korea. 20 students from High School 2 Cibinong, Bogor Regency joined the workshop of robotics. The students from South Korea, Thailand, Malaysia, Philippines, and Indonesia worked and collaborated in creating problem solver robots. It's very outstanding. And there are some dissemination after participating in the 2022 Apec School Leadership Program program in our school. First, collaboration with GIMG, Office of Education, and the Institute of Apec Collaborative Education in the 2023 Global Gifted Problem Solving Camp South Korea. Second, collaboration with the Chinese Embassy in Indonesia at the 2022 Training of Higher Order Thinking Skills International Training with ASEAN School Principals and Principal Representatives from Indonesia and Indonesian Overseas School. Third, collaboration and partnership in the development of robotic extracurricular by the foundation, that is Planet Robotica Indonesia or the Indonesian Robotics Planet Foundation. Fourth, collaboration and partnership in the development of school digitalization with a private company, namely Warung Ilmu Indonesia. Fifth, collaboration with Institut Français Indonesia or IFI through French native speaker volunteers or French language teachers. And the sixth, collaboration with Peace Corps Indonesia for American native speakers or volunteers from the United States. 7. Cultural hosting or student exchange with American Field Service or AFS, an international volunteer-based and non-governmental organization. And last but not least, the collaboration with Indonesian General Achievement Institute, collaborative with Amazon Web Service through STEM training for science teachers by lecturers from Nanyang Technological University, Singapore. Here are some collaborative pictures when we joined 2023 Global Gifted Problem Solving Camp in South Korea. There were about 20 students of high school to Cibinong represented Indonesia. After joining the 2022 Apec School Leadership Program, there are some school leadership changes and also some school innovations. They are: first, develop strategic visionary thinking skill, understand trends, and develop measurable long-term strategies for school programs. Second, improve the ability to inspire and motivate teams, facilitate collaboration, and be consistent in conducting the programs. Third, develop the ability to learn and adapt to recent technology. Fourth, develop effective communication skills, including in English or other foreign languages, and the ability to communicate clearly, both actively or passively, as well as having good active listening skills. And the fifth, develop analytical skills, the ability to collect, analyze, and interpret data, making decisions based on accurate information. There are some school innovation in high school to Cibinong, BOGOR Regency, West Java. They are as follows: e-library and corner digital library, e-attendance service, e-health services, e-guestbook, e-counseling, e-document, e-canteen, e-school asset management, podcast and broadcasting, SMAVO smart card, digital assessment, e-wall magazine, digital-based school facilities visit management, and digital-based school learning journal management. We know that today all countries try hard to develop some innovation. Of course, we try hard to do the same, though we have just made some simple things. That's all about our beloved school, High School to Cibinong, BOGOR Regency, West Java Educational Department of Indonesia. I do hope all member countries of Asia-Pacific Economic Cooperation can visit Indonesia and stop by our beloved school someday. And believe me, you will love Indonesia with beautiful and extraordinary spot of tourism and also the uniqueness of Indonesia diversity and culture. Thank you, and highest appreciation given to the Institute of Apec Collaborative Education, the Ministry of Education, Culture, Research and Technology or MOECRT Indonesia, the Director General of Early Childhood Education, Primary Education and Secondary Education, MOECRT Indonesia, the Agency for Educational Standard, Curriculum and Assessment, MOECRT Indonesia, the Director of Senior High School, MOCRT Indonesia, the Governor of West Java Indonesia, the regional head or region of Bogor Regency, the head of West Java Educational Department, the head of Regional 1 Education Office Branch of West Java Province, and the big family of high school to Cibinong, Bogor Regency, West Java, Indonesia. Best wishes for you all. See you someday.